In a world where the term affordable electric car seems as mythical as a unicorn sighting, Polestar decides to shake things up a bit with its latest offering, the Polestar 4. Move aside, world. The Polestar 4 is rolling onto American roads with a price tag that might just make your jaw drop, or at least give it a gentle nudge. So, what does $54,900 get you in the electric car realm these days? Apparently, quite a bit. The Polestar 4 promises to deliver a decent 300-mile range on a single charge, coupled with rear-wheel drive and a respectable 272 horsepower. Not bad for an entry-level model. But wait, there's more. For those who like a little extra oomph under the hood, or, under the battery pack, there's a dual motor option starting at $62,900. This not only cranks up the power to a whopping 544 horsepower, but also shaves off a few miles from your range. Because who needs range anyway, right? Now, let's talk about the bells and whistles. The Polestar 4 isn't just about getting you from point A to point B in silence and style. It's about doing it with flair. Picture yourself cruising down the street in a car equipped with a panoramic glass roof, LED headlights, and flush-mounted door handles. It's like driving a spaceship, minus the zero-gravity toilet. Step inside, and you're greeted by a tech lover's dream come true. With a 15.4-inch infotainment system running Android Automotive OS, you'll have Google Assistant at your beck and call, along with access to Google Maps and the Google Play Store. But wait, there's more. Heated power front seats, a wireless smartphone charger, and a dual-zone climate control system ensure that you ride in comfort, no matter the weather. Feeling a bit overwhelmed by all the options? Fear not, dear consumer, for Polestar has thought of everything. Want lane change assist? That'll be an extra $1,500. How about a heated steering wheel and illuminated trim? Just throw in the plus pack for a cool $5,500. Because who needs savings when you can have Swedish gold accents? But let's not forget about performance, shall we? With a 102 kilowatt-hour battery pack and a rear-mounted motor, the Polestar 4 promises a decent 0 to 60 miles per hour time of 6.9 seconds. And if that's not fast enough for you, there's always the dual motor variant, which cuts the 0 to 60 time to a blistering 3.7 seconds. Because who needs a neck anyway? But before you rush to place your order, here's a gentle reminder. U.S. deliveries aren't set to begin until the fourth quarter. So, there you have it, folks, the Polestar 4, where luxury meets performance meets, a price tag that might just make you question your life choices. But hey, who needs retirement savings when you can have a car that practically drives itself?